Hi everyone. It's Ian from the Best Reviews website here. Today, I want to tell you about Yacon Syrup, a really exciting weight loss supplement that's recently hit the market. In fact, it's not really a supplement at all. It's actually a way to lose weight all on its own. Just by taking Yacon Syrup every day and doing nothing else, you're going to lose weight. It's got to be the easiest way to lose weight ever. If I can give you a personal example, my girlfriend lost 27 pounds in just under 3 months by taking only Yacon Syrup. She didn't follow any diet. She didn't cut down on any foods. She didn't do any more exercise than usual. She just took Yacon Syrup. And that's how she lost the 27 pounds after years of trying to lose weight. Now, Yacon Syrup comes from the Yacon plant, which grows in the Andes Mountains in South America. And it was used for its weight loss properties by the Incas. It's got a nice sweet taste to it, a little bit similar to raisins, and you can use it in your coffee or tea. Or you can put it on pancakes or waffles, or put it on your breakfast cereal. Or you can simply take it on its own, on a spoon. It's up to you. How it actually works is that it speeds up your metabolism by promoting what's called the skinny bacteria in your system. These help you absorb food quickly, and they suppress the hunger hormone in your body. Now, there have been a number of scientific tests done on Yacon Syrup, and probably the most famous is a study done by a group of scientists led by Susanna Genta. They found that by taking Yacon Syrup every day, the people in the test had a significant decrease in body weight, waist circumference, and body mass index. Now, you can take Yacon Syrup in different forms. There are pills, powders, syrup, or you can even eat the root. But be careful. There are a number of companies out there who are putting Yacon Syrup products on the markets really quickly in the hope of cashing in. But these aren't always the real deal. So what I've done is given you a link below this video where you can check out the Yacon Syrup my girlfriend used. It's 100% natural, and she found it to be the best deal out there. So if you're interested, check it out by clicking on the link under this video. Well, thanks for watching. And I really hope you get some Yacon Syrup and start losing as much weight as you want. It really is that easy. Good luck. And goodbye.